we go through, Tom.
This morning we're going on one of Barefoot Charter's catamarans, so we're going to find out what it's actually like to sail a catamaran compared to what it's like to be on a monohull. And neither me and Matt have been on a catamaran before.
You'd think to America and then from America across.
Yeah. So we just came on board a catamaran for the first time. Matthew's down here. I can hear him shouting me. We'll go find him. Ronald?
I'm in here.
Where? Where's here? What are you? I thought he was having a wee. Hang on, he's in this one. Whoa, what?
What's there a window doing here? I can wash me. Save fresh water. Just wash your hands out the window.
Wow.
Actually, save fresh water. Use it as a toilet.
Or as a bidet.
Yeah.
Is that what it's for? Washing your butt out?
I don't know. No, it's not for that. You turn it.
So that's our first impressions of a cat. You can wash your butt out the window. Wow, these are spacious. Like,
Tom!
I'll do a proper tour without me in the middle. God, I keep shouting to everyone. Matthew, quiet!
We'll get me Tom.
Tom, your boyfriend's shouting you. Spacious. Oh. They're like having two children on. Matthew, this is still on cameras. I can hear you. He's been in here all day. It's only 5 minutes later, but this is where he's going to spend it. Right, go and show people around.
Alright, so we got the
Why is your back wet?
Because I'm sweating.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, cabin.
Yep.
Which is
big.
Quite big. Like,
and then if I go like this, then that's, I guess, like a wardrobe?
Yeah. Fire extinguisher in there. I guess you got some space. Yeah.
Under the bed.
Yeah.
Cool.
Filled space. Oh, bilge as well. Put that back down there.
So you've seen the bathroom, now he's in the other
cabin.
one.
Again, another double.
Move the head to the side
And
so
then forward one there.
Okay.
I guess that must be a...
If you get sick of your husband, you just throw him out the end.
Oh, sorry, I've been doing this the wrong way around, I think. Oh no, yeah, we are. We're stern to
Yeah, Matthew, you've left that door open.
No, I haven't.
Have you not? No. Oh. Okay, we'll take you to the kitchen next. In the kitchen.
Yeah.
So, we've got... Oh, he's in the cupboards. You're right, bloody nosy, you are.
Are you going to do this on a boat?
Right, so we've got the kitchen, your oven.
Okay, what's in them? I'm looking at the size.
Matthew's butt. Matthew, your butt's in the way. And then we've got the sink. Matthew's in. That drops straight in, doesn't it? Yeah. So, and then you've got a nice big seating area, which at the minute is full of our bags because we're all bringing munchies on board. Then you've got all the navigational equipment and radios here. And now Matthew's gone down here.
Another toilet with a bidet. It's exactly the same again.
Okay, so it's like a replica of the other side.
It's another pontoon.
Yeah.
Same again.
And a bum washing window. Matthew's favourite in both pontoons. You can wash your bums together.
Where's my glasses?
Where are you off to, Ronald?
To the trampoline because we're kids and that's what we do.
Sorry, Tom, I'm cutting in front of you to see what my... Don't jump on it and go straight through.
Hey, that's strong.
It doesn't look strong.
Aren't you supposed to be like showing everyone the rigging and that, not bouncing on the trampoline?
If we go through,
It's like our old furler.
yeah.
So do you want to talk about, where's the anchor on these things? Am I being stupid? Is it in here?
Yeah, it's there.
So anchor we think is in here?
It's hanging.
We're proper cat noobs, aren't we? What's your thoughts of this so far?
I like the space, but I don't like the reach and stuff.
And why do they have bottleneck things on the mast?
Because that's where it's tightened up.
Oh.
The stays are there. And they've got a stave on the outside.
It's quite weird. Oh, it's a not
Slab.
roller reefing.
Slab.
So that's good. That's what I meant. So this is our day on a cat. Oh, Matthew's being... Oh, what?
Which side angle up here?
And there's the windlass.
Yeah.
So if you can't fit everyone inside, there's always, you could just stick them in this hole. Might be a bit noisy, but yep, there's the windlass. And here's the Matthew. Is it his head? You looking forward to sailing one?
I am, yeah.
Cool. What do you think to the helm? It's a little bit dark actually for you.
Here's bird. Missed it. That one there on the right was attacking a little seagull.
Oh. Anyway, back to the catamaran. What do you think to the helm?
I'm not sure.
What do you mean you're not sure?
I feel like I'm driving a truck.
Well, you're used to those, so... And it's even got the tank sort of...
Yeah.
Don't push them... I thought you was pushing them forward and you shoot off the pontoon.
There's Tom in the background. It's filming, Tom. What do you think of the camera?
Spacious. That's my opinion. Yeah, I think it'd be nice, you know, when you've done a sail and you go at home and you want to like put your wine on the table without it rocking, then it's nice. Very, very big, spacious thing.
I don't like this. I can't see out. I think we'll have to remove this.
All I keep seeing is Matthew just lifting things up. Like, Matthew, what are you doing?
Look at the engines.
It's just making me laugh. Do you like the engines?
Yeah, alright. Not as big as Nova's.
Are they not? Oh no, because there's two of them.
Use two like 30s or 20s, not 170.
When you came over, my heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober, and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently.
So we've just stopped in the middle and we've been told to have a snorkel through this seagrass. It's got a proper name, Mark told me, but I've forgotten. So it's over here behind me. And we're going to throw Tom in first, just in case the sharks are there. He's not very meaty, so they're probably going to spit him back out before me and Matthew jump in. Because we'll feed him for a week.
I can't hear them, but I'm in both, so I'm very close.
We'll have to figure out where you're from. I think Phil is...
You're going to swim through the middle, aren't you? I'll meet you on the other side.
I'm going to jump on and come inside hat.
Hello, good sir.
Hello, hello, hello.
Matthew?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Tom's opened his toilet.
Come through, I'm filming.
Oh yeah. Tom's, oh, you got out of the toilet. You'll have to remember to close it now, won't you?
So Matthew, what's got you so interested down there?
I'm having a look at the rock now they've got on here. It's a £44.
Can't really show anyone. Maybe if I stick it down here, can anyone?
It's a Rockner anchor. It's the new generation.
Oh yeah, I've seen these a lot on the sailing forums.
I'm thinking of getting one. Buy one about 55.
It's basically an anchor with a loop on the top.
Yeah, and this.
So what's different about one of these Rockners?
Well, I think they're a combination between the spade and the plough, and it's the new generations. It's going to be quite good. And with the bar, they rewrite. They're quite good for rewriting. But now it's a strange one. Looking down at the water going by.
Look at the hulls. The hulls go. We're sitting on top.
Yeah.
So we sit on top of the water rather than cut through it, which is kind of weird. And this is nice because it gives you a breezy bottom.
It does.
What you doing, Ronald?
To show us and tell us what you're doing, Matthew.
Currently, I'm washing the
mask. What's it called?
I don't know.
Well, Tom's got it in his hand. It makes you skim through the water. Hydroplane.
Nah.
If you turn,
I call it a hydroboard.
a hydroboard. When you turn it down, you go down. When you go up, you go up. It's like a bat wing.
A bat wing, that's a good explain. That's a good one.
I'll call
it a bat wing from now on.
The bat wing.
When you're intent to go. Yeah. Nothing in your pockets?
Hey
guys. Run it the full length.
Bye bye.
He's gone. Nice up.
I think the jellyfish.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Thank you.
Did you go down deep?
Oh yeah, you go down deep.
Yeah.
How deep?
Matthew.
Yeah, you go down deep.
Hi.
It was good.
And you saw a jellyfish?
No.
Oh yeah.
The jellyfish got you?
Yeah. Really stinging as well. It was a bad one.
I can pee on you if you need to. That's what
I'm
you
alright, thanks.
Very good when you are.
Just hold it there. It's really easy. The worst case, just let go and you'll come back up. Alright, yeah, we're gonna go to the back of this after this. That looks like a good one to surf.
So we're back from our catamaran experience. Tom's just making Matthew a what?
Tricorn hat.
A tricorn hat.
Because I'm Commodore.
So Matthew, what was your day like on a catamaran? We didn't have enough wind to sail.
It was interesting. We didn't get to sail it, so I still don't know fully. Well, they don't handle as nice as monohulls, and the extra space this one had, it had a little extra space, but not much compared to Nova. No, I think it was only about a 38 footer, it wasn't a 40 footer. But it had more bed space, but the saloon was about as big as Nova's saloon. The only difference is it has a lot more space outside, so you've got your table and that, and of course it doesn't heel over. But it just wasn't as nice. I didn't feel like I was sailing.
I found it kind of rocked more.
I was in a floating caravan.
Fair enough, Matthew. He liked the idea of washing his bum out the window.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I didn't like the idea of the window though. But then it doesn't heel over, so you don't have to worry about it, I guess.
They kind of sit on the water rather than in the water.
No, monohulls for me. But I haven't sailed the catamaran yet, so we'll see what that's like when I get a chance. Evening.
It looks. You kind of look like a pirate farmer.
Yeah, cheap farmer.
Yeah. It looks like a massive paper aeroplane, but... So, are you going ashore with that on your head?
Pirate of Cumbria.
Yep.
Well, we're off to shore to get some internet. And Matthew's wearing that on his head. You're an idiot. So this morning we're definitely starting it the right way. We've got some nice crispy bacon, some syrup, and some pancakes that Matthew's burnt a little bit. He's in the kitchen, it's quite smoky in here.
Well, why are we having this breakfast, Pidge?
Because it's my birthday and you says I could choose anything, so we're going American. Pancakes and bacon. Now that we've eaten our my birthday breakfast, we're going to go to the local store, which is Massey's. Show everyone the logo. It might be too light. There we go, Massey's. And get loads of birthday treats. I'm pretty much having a 10-year-old's birthday. We've got jelly, pizza, cake, brownies, and we're gonna go get a set of dominoes because we've been taught how to play dominoes like the locals do. Apparently it's quite a big thing, so we're quite interested in that, so we're gonna see if we can get ourselves a domino set, so quite looking forward to it. Everyone back home is saying how lucky I am to have my birthday in the Caribbean. This is what we've got today. It's to say it politely, bucketing it down. I'm going to show you closer of
it down.
Matthew. I'll show you closer of my birthday weather. We have a nice big cookies and cream cake for my birthday. We did have cookies and cream ice cream, but it's all gone. We drank it with some Kahula. Matthew's made some jelly. And now we're going to go out and play some bingo and stuff because it's rained all day long. I'll turn this around. It's rained all day for us, so we were going to go and have a beach barbecue with steaks and everything, but it's still raining, so we're going to go play bingo or dominoes. So with the locals, I think we'll go see who will have a game with us. So we're playing poker in the, what's this one called? The Loft in the Blue Lagoon. We've got our poker chips. It's also happy hour, so we're very happy, aren't we, Matthew?
We are very happy.
Who's hurt his toe on board today?
Your collection of fruits. Fake.
Oh.
Yes, extra iron.
Join us next time as we sail to Beckway and experience Swellmageddon.